Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase or decrease vibration intensity in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. When you have turned on vibration for touch interactions or keyboard typing interface or whatever may be, there will be some level of vibration. Okay, if you would like to increase or decrease and control level of vibration, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to sounds and vibration, and here you will find vibration intensity. Just click on it and you will find system vibration intensity. Okay, just here you can decrease by moving it to the left side. Okay, if you move it to the leftmost side, this is called no vibration, that is vibration intensity is 0. Okay, if you would like to increase, you go to move this point to the right side. Okay, so in this way you can control vibration intensity in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.